Hello everyone, welcome back to Tranquil Living Chess. I hope you all are doing good. So this is the time of festivities, and yes, we are going to celebrate Durga Pooja this time. So this video is going to be about the preparation for Durga Pooja. Please note it is not my individual effort. Entire community came together to make it happen because it is the time to cherish and thank God for all the good things that are happening around. We all are safe and sound. So let's celebrate and start this time on a good note. I hope you like this video. Okay, so for the design part, as always, we were on a restricted budget because there were not much donations. So yes, we had to make it look pretty. So our clubhouse wall was in a mess. It really needed a coat of paint, and we were not willing to do the same decor of putting the backdrop of velvet curtains and all. So I decided to paint it white, and for to give it a look of a temple, we decided to go with the backdrop of yellow rays. And everything was done by people came forward, they lent some paint, somebody lent their brushes. So all the association members also, they gave us some paint, so to bring the costs down. So once we were done with the backdrop of the wall with yellow rays, it turned out beautiful. It looked very nice. The wall was looking much broader. Okay, so post everything was done. Yes, a special thanks to Ekta. We have some very bad blue curtains which we had to use somehow. It was Ekta's idea to give them sidelines with golden color cloth, and it looked stunning. Those pathetic drapes were looking very pretty. So thanks Ekta for that idea. So after the wall was done, it was time for the stage. So all the men, they did a lot of hard work. They got in the bricks from outside and they made a very beautiful stage. It was a huge stage because we had such an amazing wall. They decided to go for a big stage. So yes, it took a lot of effort. We were there till I believe 3:30 a.m. or so. So we ended up making getting the paint work done and getting the stage ready on the night itself. The next day when we came in, we ripped off the tapes of the paint, and yes, it was looking very pretty, everything. So after this was done, our next part of the design was we wanted the golden drapes to be hung on the roof, and for them we needed a centerpiece. So again, whatever material we had handy, I decided to use it. So I used all the the bushes that we get from home center or any place. I used it with the circular loop I had at home. It was a waste thing, I wasn't using it at all. So I'll show you in the video right away how I used it. And then I hung some pretty yellow hangings in the center so that it gives a sort of center point for that entire curtain which we were going to put on the roof. So once that was done, we brought in Durga Ji. The idols were so pretty. So after all the drapes were done, we just wanted our rays to shine. So then I got in the 20-meter LED light and I wrapped it around the 3 rays, so that we could get a backdrop of beautiful lighting. That was also done. So finally it was all ready and it looked very pretty with all the drapes and all the hangings. Yes, finally a special thank you to each and every member, and sorry if I missed to name anybody, but Gopal ji, Rakesh ji, Ashutosh ji, my dear husband Ekta, Varun, all of us were there till late hours, and there were so many people, Shashi ji and Pankaj ji. So thanks a lot for all the efforts everyone, and I'm glad you let me be a part of this activity, because yes, it made us feel so good. It makes me feel alive, get back to life once we get to decorate and do something for the Almighty God. And yes, it's time to celebrate. So thank you everyone. I'll be back with a quick shot or a video with the final reveal of the Durga Pooja once we have them out of their faces are covered. So I'll get it in the next part. But I hope you would have liked this process. Stay tuned, stay safe, and happy Durga Pooja.